Hey people, how you guys doing? My name is Gus. We're going to write today ha, ha, ho, ah, o. First, we're gonna practice with a guided sheet. Oh well, this is not an official guided sheet. This is just a regular block paper. So, I think you have it in your stationery collection because this is really common, and also if you don't have it, check out BLOC block paper. It looks like this. Why do we need this? I'll show you how. First, let's write ha. So we need those are square. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then we're gonna write ha today. You need these to be balanced, and also if you know how to write like this, you can also write on really huge wall. If you do a wall, if you do like a graffiti or wall art, so this is a really good idea to practice with. And next one is ha. So same 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's write ha. Okay, so when you write, be careful and look at it carefully, which one goes where and where. Okay, now let's write ha. No, ho. Let's write ho. This is ho. And next three letters are a, o. Ha, ha, ho. And we're gonna write a, o. This is a, and let's write o. O. Okay, so we wrote ha, ha, ho, a, o. So let's do with on a blank sheet of paper. So now you know how to write without the greed. Ha, ho, ho. A, o, Cool. Okay, so if you don't know, you can always first draw a guideline like this. So 1, 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and write like we did. Let's write ha like this. First, draw those guidelines with the pencil, and you write these with a marker or something like that, and then you erase the guidelines. All right, thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.